Oh.
Give me some.
Whoa. Okay. Hold on. He's kind of scared now.
Think he's happy?
Whoa.
Want the bag?
Are you gonna feed him? What's up, Jeremiah? Good deer. You're a good deer, you know that?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry about that, deer.
Sorry.
No, just peel back the seal. Let him eat. Can you see the back?
You can't scare him.
Just drop some of the nuts on
You can't make quick movements, guys. You kind of bite your finger too.
What's wrong with his eyes though?
I don't know.
Do all deer have it?
I don't know. Okay, don't put him right here.
Is it on both sides? No.
Yeah.
You could just grab him. Well, until you can tackle him, like his neck right now.
Let him. He's too cool.
Are you giving him nuts?
Huh?
Yep.
Yeah, he's eating all the nuts on the floor. Why do I think that that's another deer over there? Could be. This is a really cool deer.
See if we'll do what Lucky does.
Dad, ready?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Look at the nuts. This is just
Don't touch it.
Yeah. What about the pill?
I don't think he'd eat that thing. Oh, you can eat it. He just ate an orange peel. Want some more nuts, boy? Eat them nuts.
You can hear him grunting.
Fine. Let me feel the red for you again.
I don't think he likes this one.
Oh, where's he going?
Tired of it. He's probably scared of this.
Oh, it's a girl.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys have sex?
No. You can see the teeth.
Look. No? Fine.
What he's also eating is those leaves. Those yellow ones that are falling. Or she, I mean.
Oh, I can't eat the trail mix anymore because his tongue was in there. So I might as well just dump it out right there. Oh, that thing was stepping. All I saw was, what did it do?
Something like this.
He attacks with his front paws. You get in his hind and
He'll stand up and go like this.
yeah.
He's like a kangaroo.
If it attacks us, try and tackle it like it's on us.
It's a really cool deer though. We just hand fed a deer.
Like, you know, that's why he walked away.
like money?
It comes, takes it, and runs.
If it does something outrageous, catch it on video so that we can get it on YouTube.
Well, did you get it, man? You're getting attacked by it?
I think so.
That thing was stepping.
You stepping?
It's like, damn.
He was crunching and sipping and stepping.
There's another one over there, I think.
Oh, I found a quail over there.
Okay, guys. Please
Come
leave him alone. Leave her alone.
Let's go check over there.
There's a quail over there. I heard it when I was trying to come over here.
Later, dear.
Unless there's the,
The baby's is somewhere.
yeah.
We have to watch it because we don't know what's going on.
Like, we could be
Oh, there it is. That's a quail. You see it? Right there. In the bushes down there. Use your camcorder.
Oh, I
Get
see it. I
Abby,
see it. I
get
see
it.
it.
No, it's too deep.
Where?
Oh, there it is.
That's
It's somewhere up there. I don't know. Stop, I don't stop. Why? She's probably annoying it, dude.
How? You guys want to get a picture of its face, right? Want to get a picture of it staring at you? There. It's a really cool deer. It's just eating those leaves, huh?
No, the nuts. The nuts from the.
He's also eating the leaves too. The other ones are falling.
Oh,
He
yeah?
eats those. She eats those.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
That should give her an energy boost.
Okay.
Is that it making the noise? That noise?
What knows?
Alright, let's go.
Oh wait, my bag's over there. Sorry.